Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Klarna Pay In 4. Klarna Pay In 4 is a payment service that allows customers to split their purchases into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. This payment option is becoming increasingly popular among online shoppers, and for good reason. First, let's talk about the benefits of using Klarna Pay In 4. One of the main advantages is that it allows customers to budget their expenses more effectively. By splitting the payment into 4 installments, customers can avoid making a large upfront payment, which can be a significant strain on their finances. For example, if a customer purchases a $200 item, they can pay $50 every 2 weeks, making it more manageable for their budget. Another benefit of Klarna Pay In 4 is that it does not require a credit check, making it accessible to a wider range of customers. This is particularly useful for customers who may not have a good credit history or who are new to credit. Additionally, Klarna does not charge interest on payments, as long as they are made on time. This means that customers can avoid accumulating debt and paying high interest rates. To use Klarna Pay In 4, customers simply need to select the option at checkout. They will then be prompted to provide some basic information, such as their name, address, and payment details. Once the payment is confirmed, the customer will receive a confirmation email with the payment schedule. It's essential to review the payment schedule carefully and ensure that the payments are made on time to avoid any late fees. Best practices for using Klarna Pay In 4 include making timely payments, reviewing the payment schedule carefully, and only making purchases that fit within your budget. It's also essential to understand the terms and conditions of the payment service, including any late fees that may apply. In conclusion, Klarna Pay In 4 is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows customers to split their purchases into 4 equal payments. By using this service, customers can budget their expenses more effectively, avoid interest charges, and make purchases without a credit check. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, customers can use Klarna Pay In 4 with confidence and make the most of this popular payment service.